Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Measure the wall height and width and record numbers in feet and inches. Mark vertical plumb lines with a level to align your first wallpaper drop. Remove bedding and furniture at least 3 feet from the wall before starting. Clean the wall of dust and oil with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Fill holes and sand smooth so the surface is flat and clean for paste. Prime the wall with a sizing primer and let it dry 4 hours. Cut wallpaper strips 2 inches longer than the wall height for trimming. Align patterns and deduct pattern matches when cutting additional drops from the roll. Apply paste to the paper or wall as the product instructions state, using a roller or brush. Fold pasted paper into a book fold for 5 minutes for proper soak. Position the top of the first strip at the ceiling line and unroll down the wall. Smooth each strip with a plastic smoother from center to edges to expel air. Trim top and bottom with a sharp blade against a straight edge along the ceiling and baseboard. Match seams within 1/8 inch for a clean joint and offset seams from the bed center to avoid focal gaps. Use a seam roller lightly only after paste sets to avoid crushing the pattern. Wipe excess paste-off surface within 5 minutes using a damp sponge and clean water. Allow wallpaper to dry for 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.